Hey guys, welcome back. So following the previous video, I want to show you today when you have white space column in between each row, how can you get rid of it? So what you want to do, so right now you can see basically I want them to be concatenated instead of having a row in between. So for the ones you are of interest, you select them. So let's say I want to go over here, and then what you want to do is you want to go to um, you want to go to edit, and then you want to go to find, and for find you want to go to the last row of go to. So this allows you to select where you want to are referring to specifically, and here you click special, and then you click on blanks. If it's other some formulas you're interested in, you're gonna click on that as well. If it's some comments you're interested, you can click on that. So what we're interested in are blank ones. So you click on OK. So this is going to select all the blank here of your selection. And now you want to right click and then click delete. And then you want to shift cells up. And now you have your concatenated version of your data. I hope this is helpful and see you in the next one.